Alright, so to start off, you guys are probably so confused by there's a bunch of words popping up in your face and there's a random road with clouds. Okay, I downloaded it off YouTube, you know, give me a break. But I'm trying out a different style editing format, kind of like Mr. Beast. So this video is going to be 10 grand to the first person to go to the strip club and get an STD. Nah, I'm just kidding. But speaking of strippers, if you guys remember back in January, Mason crashed his 335 after a stripper house party. Well, basically, all the way fast forward to March. Now, we have the car back in the garage and the whole front end torn apart. Oh, and if you guys remember, about a month ago, Frankie got a 335 also, and we tuned it and put a bunch of little mods on there, so that's also later in this video. Since we came back from BMW Invasion, seeing all those clean cars, so as you guys know, we have the M3 bumper. Got some M3 skirts to go along. Cop those, which can be nice because my OEM skirts are all fucked up. Same with the bumper. Got a set of 4 rotors, slotted and drilled. And honestly, I think I'm the most excited about these because they just look insane. And then we got a new windshield seal. But there's a good chance that none of that's getting put on in this video because, as you guys know, Mason wrecked his 335. They finally got all the insurance stuff figured out, so we're gonna be rebuilding that. It's got a bunch of parts. I'm heading there in a second. My car recently, from the valve cover gasket, has been leaking oil, and sometimes it'll smoke from right there, which is great. We love that. If your BMW leaks oil, yo bitch ain't loyal. I don't know what I just said, but yeah. I'm at Mason's now. Fellas. Alright, what's up, man? Alright, so they pretty much have everything off the car except for the subframe for when they do the oil pan gasket. But he picked up new wheels, just OEM joints for right now. You might get BMS wheels in the back. These things are thick. It's a 275 in the rear. What's the front? 245 in the front. But there's no curb rash on them or anything.
There is one of these on here though.
There is one of that.
Yeah.
And a little bit of that. Oh!
I never looked,
you did look. Yeah. There's some chunks removed out of these tires, but you know, you just gotta send it.
There's another one right there. You didn't see that.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that. Right. They are from BBS. Oh, I got it that time. Yeah, I got it that time. So here's the control arm that got bent. As you can see, that thing is done. Would you hit a rock or something? So shout out to the guy hooking us up with the dope spot. A little cabinet in case you need it. Facebook Marketplace, great place to shop.
What do you have to say?
What I got to say? Fuck bitches, get money, huh?
What'd you say, Frank?
Get on my level. No, I'm taller than you right now. I'm 6'7", but this stool makes me 7'3".
Man, how'd you get so tall, Wyatt? Whoa.
Alright, so Travis Mason got the valve cover off.
About a smooth 10 minutes.
Yep, he had to keep this on. He got showered up and put the work outfit right back on.
No, look. I got in the shower. I put on a freshie. Just so. We need a light.
Right there, on it, on the spot, Trav.
Got it all up in here. It just takes too much time.
It's in your
It's like a
sleeve.
328. It's just too slow. But then
We're gonna get a lot of A for that.
When you're up here, got the old 335. Look out!
So the whole top's off, new valve cover, new seals everywhere. Oil pan's getting done, this thing's getting done right.
The flex for the weekend, I'm tweaking. Fell in love with a white Puerto Rican.
Alright, well, I'll pull up to Mason's. We got good old E93 Frank, Mason, and he's trying to kill us. What'd he do?
He took the fucking condenser lines off and that shit started spraying everywhere.
He's trying to kill us. The car's fully apart. The 335 rebuild is happening. Oh, I smell it. I'm about to pass out. He's got this whole entire thing torn apart. It's got rotors, solenoids, a bunch of other shit. We're fully rebuilding it. Alright, here's all the damage that we found so far. Got a little bent exhaust. Ain't not too, but a little more flow, huh? So if y'all don't remember, Mason ran over a ginormous rock. So if you come to the back here, this little thing under the trunk is not doing the greatest at the moment. It's a little airflow going right here. Also, his little frame thing right here took one of the head. Yep, total. That's not even a joke anymore. We got drilled and slotted rotors to replace those clapped ones. New trans pan, trans cooler, belt, solenoids, and a new driver. Travis Wedding. Windshield wiper fluid. Cooler is a little bent as well. We're not gonna film too much because it's gonna be boring. I know some of y'all would be entertained by it, but personally I wouldn't want to watch somebody just fully rebuild a car. But we got brand new solenoids, brand new everything in this situation here. We're gonna put new fluid, new pan. We got a new trans cooler, new belt, power steering pulley, new everything. So hopefully when it's back up and running, she's solid. Walnut blasting is gonna be done. All right, so we also put ECS tuning, trans mount in there.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Everyone screenshot that, make it the profile picture. Trans mounting, trans panning. Down there, it's not wet for once, all dry. The exhaust still needs to be fixed up. Waiting on the radiator support to come in. She's getting there slowly but surely.
Well,
It's gonna come back and make a lot more power out for damn sure. Some fuckboy scammed him on the rotors, which if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen that. I think his whole number got disabled. People were ordering pizza to his house and shit. Inlets, outlets, downpipe, subframe needs to go back on. Mason got PI and Precision Racing ignition coils.
you're a fucking idiot.
Look, it's good. All the packaging still. It's gonna be a bad motherfucker when it's baked. Oh, and walnut blasting, which I really need to do the mods too. Fellas, all week, all we've been doing, pretty much every day, except for today, because Mason feels like shit. We've been working on Mason's 335. It's getting close. We're down to probably a couple more days worth of work until this thing's back up and running. Going to Frankie's house to work on his 335, so I have to try to get content to get out a video this week. And he got inspected, so he said he failed, which I'm not sure what he failed for yet. We'll figure that out. We might tune the car today because he got MHD. And I have all new black interior bits for in here, because if you guys remembered in my one video where I redid the interior, I suede wrapped all this shit, but it's starting to fall apart and looks like absolute shit because I don't know how to wrap anything in like suede. So I just went ahead and ordered black OEM bits for now. I might eventually go suede again in the future. Pull up the Franks. I don't know, why did it fail inspection?
Let's show them this fucking bullshit. Because these are black.
Literally because those are black.
I'm gonna put some orange tape on that, see if that works. And then the tint, which I was told this would be fine, but you know how states are.
Dark ass tint right there. So we going stage one today or what? Right?
I'll go stage one, yeah.
And then he said it was making a weird clunking noise right here, so. Man, what were you doing before I came?
What was I doing?
Look at your belt buckle.
I was taking a shit.
Oh, there it is. You gotta take it after work shit though.
I'm on a tight schedule every day. 3:30. I'm there.
3:30, all the shitter. All right, we're tuning this baby to fucking high hell right here. This is what came up on his car. You know how to fix that, right? Everyone pay attention right here. If you have a problem with your N54, this is how you do it. All right, so all you gotta do is see the top orange button. You just click clear code and it's solved.
Oh, so that fixes everything?
Everything is good to go.
This is the best car ever.
That's what I'm saying. If you have like check engine lights, just clear the code, ride it out. Don't even read it. It's not even worth your time. Oh man, here we go. All right, so I'm driving Frank's 335 to see what's happening. Misfire maybe?
I honestly couldn't tell you.
It's so weird driving a stock one. It's like so quiet and normal. And I hate driving other people's cars because I'm terrified.
Yeah.
Like when I let you drive mine.
I was fucking terrified, bro.
Oh yeah, you can definitely tell the tire all over. So it's still on a base map. We'll probably go stage one today, right?
How does it feel to you? Does it feel strong?
I'm so used to driving mine that it does feel like
No, but
you can tell the difference. After driving it, this thing definitely does, like there's a huge difference between this and stage 2 plus. For our E93 boys, what is that? There's like sounds up here. And, all right, stage 1 time. So we put the magnet jaunt, the best 335 mod ever right there. Oh, my new phone, gone.
I might have bought MHD 20 times.
He might have literally bought MHD 21 times. So if you need MHD and haven't bought it yet, comment down below. Frank's got you.
For
He's counting.
6 fucking MHD purchases. Holy fuck.
He bought MHD 6 times.
It said try again. Like $1,600 fucking dollars. Oh my god, bro.
Okay, look, you could either call the bank, tell them that to take 5 away, or you get 5 more 335s.
What the fuck, man?
Wait, so it failed?
Yeah, flashing stopped.
You would think if you bought 55 of these, dude, literally just left your car with all these fucking...
Fucked my car up and just left the chat.
All right, Frank, I hate to say this, but your car's bricked.
So do we sell it or?
All right, so after Frank buying 12 MHD tunes, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow because we don't have a battery charger. It kept failing. I don't know why, but we're gonna make sure it's on a battery charger because it's an 18-minute flash and we don't want to risk that. So we're just gonna make sure the car's not bricked. Let go. That was weird as fuck. All right, take 2. I'll try to start it. Hopefully it's not bricked.
What the fuck? With Russian forces, and it could escalate.
Russia's doing it. This is Russia. All right, so while we wait to see if the car is bricked or not, we're gonna see what injectors Frank has, and we're putting in the 1,000 horsepower cabin air filters to take away all that dumb shit.
Air filter when you just...
All right, cabin filter's on. This bitch makes 500. Come get gapped. All right, let's see if they're index 12s. 9, 12, 9. What the fuck? 7. He's got them all over the place. This is a 12 right here. You got one index 12, buddy. It's better than none.
Who the fuck does that? How is this bitch running? How is that possible? I'm drunk.
7s and 9s can go together, but 12s cannot go with anything other than 11s.
Does anybody have 5 index 12?
So after a rather unsuccessful day, now know his injectors are fucked. We got new cabin filters and his car is bricked. Not actually, we just need a battery charger, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. So I know the car is bricked, but hey! Day 2 Franks, let's see if we can unbrick it. All right, let's see if... She ain't starting today either. All right, well, we're modifying the brick 335. We're putting intakes in. For some reason, we're doing this. All right, so today we knocked out intake, vacuum lines. Hopefully some point we can get this battery charger so we can hopefully de-brick his car. Another day, another dollar. Back at Frank's, finally got a battery charger. So all we gotta do is just re-flash this tune and we should be good.
Turn off.
Yes, sir. Unbricked. So stage 1 finally on. All right, moment of truth. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. She's back. Were you scared?
I was a little nervous.
I was a little nervous too because it was kind of bricked. You definitely will notice the difference. Like it's like a dramatic enough difference. Yeah, the intakes make it so loud. Do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear that, dude. I thought something was wrong. They're so fucking loud.
You have no exhaust on this too, so you're just getting straight turbo noises. Sounds crazy, dude.
Yeah, there's a fucking monster underneath my head.
Oh, buy phone mounts for me. His magnet's in his cage, so.
Yeah, I got.
You're spinning. Oh yeah, bro, I can tell. I can fucking tell, bro.
Oh my god, dude. I didn't hear a word you said. I was blacked the fuck out for a second there.
Give her some. Shift too early. There you go. There you go. God damn, bro, this bitch pulling. Look at Frank get down!
Damn!
Frank get down! He's back!
That was fast.
That was fast. That was fast. That felt solid.
I bitched on first.
You did, but it was good. You want the work? You don't want it. Come on, talk to him. Get up there, Frank! Yeah! Look at Frank go!
He definitely don't want
He
that.
don't want shit! Nah, wait for it. He don't want none, he's running! They're literally holding up traffic. Hey now! First drive complete.
I'm happy with this bitch right now.
Happy with it? I know he's happy with it. All right, now we got music in the beam. We got orange reflective tape, so that way Frank can pass inspection. That's what I'm talking about, Frank. Dude, stage 1, like compared to stock, is so big. Hey, with these new gas prices, buddy can only afford $2 worth of it. But I mean, look, it is what it is sometimes. Yeah, bro, $5.20 to fill up. Would you like to finance that, sir?
I'm gonna need to pay it over the next 4 months.
Gas prices, man. What you know about it? What you know about it? All right. Back in the loud one. Frank's car, stage 1, intake, cabin filters, new vacuum lines, and for inspection, he has to get the tint taken off. We had to put orange reflective tape on his black reflectors because it couldn't pass. So I think you should be good at pass inspection. For my 335, I've been lazy. I need to text a painter so I can get the M3 skirts and bumper painted. We're doing rotors later this week. I got a bunch of interior shit to fix it all up in here. Oil cooler, I finally have the last piece I need to do the oil cooler. So I got about 5 mods to do to my car. Finally coming back with mods. I just had to figure out time to do it. Hopefully, we're gonna get a little single turbo in her this year. I think that's really gonna happen this year.
Pocket watching, that's a dovefish. I put a price on your head. I be sleeping with a tech bitch. Eat that shit right on my bed. Bro, you be capping, you ain't by no action, so we never care what you said.